Hey, what's up guys? So today we have a special package from Apple. You wanna know why the box is already ripped? Well, because I already did the unboxing. But my dumbass forgot to change the video settings. I was filming in slow motion. Well, I mean it's nice for the B-roll, but you didn't have any audio. So yeah, let's do it again. So here we have the 4th generation of AirPods. As you can probably see, I put it upside down, my bad. Here are the AirPods. Here's some usual information. Let me guess, the AirPods are upside down as well. Well no, of course not. Designed by Apple in California. Well, that's really nice information, and we're going to put it up to the camera. You can see it right there. Focus, there we go. You can plug them to the side. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the AirPods. I've already opened them, so it's really need for me to get them out. I've unpaired them from my phone to make it look as if I were to pair them. But let me go ahead and show you around the case, because we have our own engraving. Let me put it up closer to the camera. There we go, it looks really nice. So let me show you what does it look like. So first we have to go ahead and I'll get my iPhone, because we have to pair them again. Which is really nice, of course, and I have to find the pairing button on the case, and I don't know where it is. Oh my god. What is going right so far? Wait, there's not a pairing button. Well, that's weird. Not your AirPods. Yeah, I think so. Ah, I found the pairing button. Nice. Okay, well this is nice. This is some iOS stuff. Okay, well great. Yes. Okay, well that's nice. Okay, so if you when you want to pair them, you click on the case twice. And put them in my ear. I've already done this, so I know how to put them in. But in the thing that had slow-mo, I said that the AirPod was popping in my ear. Which actually was doing in the beginning. But now it's fixed. So then I put up some music. Yes. I cannot hear myself right now. So excuse me for that. But the sound is really good. So you have different modes. Show you them. So we have this one. This is adaptive. So I think that this is for like when you're in the train and you want to hear the announcements. You have then you have the normal. You have off, which I'm probably not going to use. But the adaptive, that looks really nice. Let me put it up again. Damn it. I'm not sure what it does. It's probably for when you're in loud environments and if you want to hear someone. And if you're in the train or something and you don't want to hear it, you can just, I'm not sure, actually not sure what it does. I'm just making it up. What do we have here? Let me go and zoom in. There we go. Okay, so this is not sure what this is. I'm learning things. Oh. Okay, well this is really... Yo, this is weird. So what does this do? It mutes the music for me when I'm talking or when someone is talking. So if I were to put it on this one, does it mute? Yes. Yo, this is really cool because now it mutes the music. It puts it a bit lower for me when I'm talking, so I know that someone is hearing me, but if I'm quiet, it goes into noise cancelling mode. This is actually This is actually really nice because if you were in an office environment like me, want to talk to your colleagues, you can put this feature on, and then it will just focus on your talking, and then it will apparently do the volume. It will put the volume lower than it's supposed to be. Then we go ahead and find some other good songs. And we go ahead into my nephew's playlist here. We find some good songs. Yes. So let's go ahead and see this in action again. Alright. It's in transparency mode right now. Now it's in noise cancelling mode again, and if I want to talk to someone, I can just do this, and then it's going to switch the microphones. This is actually nice because I think you can also accept and decline phone calls by just moving your head around, tilting your head around, which is really nice. But you look really dumb in the train. Let me tell you that, because no one. Let's be honest, if you sit next to a girl and you shake no, that's really weird, of course. And what do we have here? This is spatial audio, I guess. Oh yeah. We don't need that. But actually, I'm really excited about this feature. I'm going to test it out. So now I've turned it off. Let me turn it on again. Let me turn it on again. There we go. So now it's changing back to transparency mode if I'm talking. I actually wonder how this is going to work in the train. Because you hear a lot of sounds. Maybe if the conductor announces the next station, he will probably pick it up. But we'll have to test it on Monday. So I'll be back on Monday with my final thoughts about these AirPods. But they're really nice in my ears. I mean, they're like the AirPods 3s that I had, but they broke twice in 2 years. So yeah. But alright, it's working really nice, and I'm really happy about my purchase. So I'll be sure to report the usage overall over the next couple of weeks, so be sure to check that out. Alright guys, I haven't shown you the Find My Device thing, so let me show you that. So it has the Find My Device. Let's hear it. And it has position finding as well. You're close by. So if it were to move, you cannot see it, of course. But there. So that's a really nice feature. I'm really looking forward to using the AirPods. Well, I'm going to edit the video with my AirPods to see how the latency goes. So I'll keep you guys posted. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll check you guys later. Bye bye.